It is now time for the Bad Bachelor Cooking Lengthy Business Trip Edition. What do we bad bachelor cooks do when we find ourselves living out of a hotel for weeks on end? Well, we first of all take advantage of the free breakfast. So I head downstairs with my freezer bag because I have a lot of stuff to get from this breakfast spread. I mean, why just use the breakfast spread for breakfasts? This isn't the best spread I've seen, but it isn't the worst either. Anyway, this looks like several days worth of material. Now, luckily, this hotel has a kitchenette. So at this point, I'm now just grabbing a Trader Joe's vegetable biryani dish that I got at Trader Joe's nearby, and I'll follow the cooking instructions in there to the letter. Now I'm taking this breakfast yogurt and I'm adding it to this dish right here before the biryani finishes, and now I can just take the biryani and I can pour it on top of the yogurt, and that will just create some sort of meal thing. More flavorful than anything that's come out of my kitchen in a while. What exactly do I want to eat for dessert? Well, I suppose I could take more advantage of that free yogurt. So right here I have a plate full of frozen banana slices that I just took out of the freezer. Now I'm going to extract said banana slices from the plate with a bit of difficulty, add them to a cup, add the yogurt on top of that, sweeten it with some stevia powder, add a chocolate mint that the hotel gives out at the front desk, and then stir it all together, and now I have this yogurt banana chocolate mint thingy. Delicious. Ish.